Do you wish to learn how to add animated subscribe button to your YouTube video like this? Or this? Then sit back guys as I put you through how to add animated subscribe button to your YouTube video. So let's get started. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add animated like, share and subscribe button to your YouTube video using VideoLip app. But before we jump into that, I would love you to hit the comment section and let me know the app you use to add your animated subscribe button. And if you are new to this channel, you can ask me any question and I will do justice to that. Well, there are other amazing apps you could use to add subscribe button to your YouTube channel, such as Filmora or InShot apps. But guys, this VideoLip app is the most awesome, the most amazing, and it's actually very easy to use and without a watermark. Well, the first thing you got to do is to search and download any of the green screen subscribe button animation on the internet. There are so many of them online. You can download from Pixabay or Pinterest or wherever you can find it. Also make sure it is downloaded to a folder on your mobile phone or computer where you can easily locate them. Having said that, now let's jump into the VideoLip can be downloaded from Google Play Store or Apple Store. Once you have the app installed on your phone, you are ready to roll. First, we open the VideoLip app. Then you hit the new project, hit the plus sign. This opens your gallery. Then you go down and search and select any video of your choice. Let me go for this. Then you click add to project. So right here, what you're gonna do is you look for an icon and text mixer, which is this. It also brings you back to your gallery. Here you search for the green screen subscribe button that you downloaded. Let me choose this one. When you pick the green screen, you will see it appear over your video. Then you search for the icon chroma. This is chroma. You click on it. Then you will see a cycle above the green screen. Then you press the cycle and move it to any direction towards the edge of the green screen. Then you release it. Once you've done that, you will see that the green screen now hits the play button to make sure it works. Yes guys, you can see. We can also go back to the beginning of the video, press and hold the subscribe button and move it to any direction on the screen where you want your subscribe button to pop up. I would like to place my own here and play it again. Yes guys, this is how it works. If you want to save the video to your device, then you hit the export button at the top right above the video. Once you hit it, you hit save and wait for it to save. This will take fewer than 10 seconds to save because is a short video. If it is a long video, it will take a little longer time to save. Then once it's saved, you can now find it in your gallery and upload it to your YouTube whenever you want to do that. So guys, this is how you add animated subscribe button to your YouTube video. If you like this video and you find it very helpful, please click the like, share and subscribe button. I see you next time.